Okay, I'm at work, and look at Mr. Blue. Mochi Boy has his harness on. Look at that. Doesn't he look good? And he's loving being outside. So we're looking all around, aren't we, Mochi? And he's on his harness so that if he flies away, guess what? He only goes as far as he can fly. I mean, as far as the leash goes. It's a long leash. But isn't that the coolest thing? He's outdoors and he flew away from me once already. Anyways, just wanted to say hi. Mochi, you want to say anything? Mochi, who's such a pretty boy? He's a pretty boy. Okay, Mochi, I'm going to turn off the camera. Good boy.
Oh, nunca que tu eso,